Hello 300SL friends. Here we have a toolkit for 300SL. Today we want to focus on a very special and rare part, the spark plug holder, part number 198-5800065 with its steel bushing 000581-0056. The spark plug holder is made of Bakelite. Bakelite was the first synthetic resin and invented in 1907 by Leo Bakelund. It is a thermosetting phenol formaldehyde resin and has excellent electrical insulation properties, high heat resistance, and low thermal conductivity. However, it is very brittle and thus cannot be reshaped or repaired and has toxicity potential during production. Because of its brittleness, the spark plug holder was the first thing that would break when it was thrown in the original vinyl and cotton tool bag full of steel parts. Thus, the Bakelite spark plug holder is one of the rarest pieces in the 300SL special tools, and often it is substituted by plastic replicas like this. These can be easily distinguished from the Bakelite holder as follows. Plastic holders have a rough surface finish. The Bakelite holder is smooth and shiny. The hexagon opening of the Bakelite holder in the middle, has sharp angles, while the plastic holders have a little bit rounded angles, as you can see on the right and the left. Another thing to look out for is the weight of the spark plug holder. The Bakelite holder is heavier at 1.5 ounces or 47 grams versus about 30 to 35 grams or 1.0 to 1.1 ounces for the plastic knockoffs. Also, plastic holders usually have their seams running towards two opposing angles of the hexagon cut out for the spark plug hex nut, while the Bakelite seams run towards the middle of two opposing sides, not the angles. One of the two opposing sides. When a spark plug is pushed into a Bakelite holder like this, the hexagon will stick out just a little bit, while when it's pushed into a plastic holder, it sinks in. The hex disappears. And when the holder has a rubber insert like this replica, it will, you can see it can also go all the way in. It won't hold it really well. Just as the brass holder in the plastic replica and in some plastic replicas will not really hold the spark plug as it appears in the 300SL, because it was designed for a spark plug with a cap like this. Then it'll work. Still, it will sink in. Well, on the 300SL wires, you don't need the cap on the plug head. and you need the narrower steel bushing in the Bakelite holder to really hold your plug. I think nothing beats the real thing. So if you've got one, take good care of it. Because if you let it drop, or if you throw it around with all those chrome vanadium steel parts, it's bound to break sooner or later.